everyone, welcome to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how to delete your Zoom account. Now to do this, you need to open the Zoom on the desktop or PC, as you cannot delete your Zoom account from the Zoom mobile application. So first of all, open any browser that you have been using and then click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you type in zoom.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official web page where you will need to get logged in. You can see I am already logged in into my account. So once you have been logged in into the account, you need to move your mouse cursor to my account over here and click on that. It will direct you to this page over here. And here on this page, you need to move your mouse cursor on the left side of your screen and scroll down over here. And from there, you need to click on account management inside admin. Click on account management. And inside account management, you click on account profile. Click that. Once you're at the account profile page, here on this page, you will have this terminate my account option. You click that. To do that, first of all, you need to provide your password. And then click on continue. And just with that, the account deletion process for the Zoom is completed as you have been logged out. So this is how you can delete your Zoom account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you.